Want to enable or disable vibration when typing on your iPhone keyboard? So let's watch the video until the end. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Swipe up and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Then, swipe to the System Sounds and Haptics section and tap on Keyboard Feedback. Here, two options are available: Sound option for keyboard sound and Haptics for keyboard vibrations. From here, you can turn on or off toggle and enable or disable vibration on your iPhone keyboard. Check if the vibration setting is enabled if you don't feel vibration or haptic feedback. To do so, launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Swipe up and tap on Accessibility. Then swipe to the Physical and Monitor section and tap on the Touch section. Swipe up, find the vibration option, and toggle it on. That's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for the latest tips and tricks videos.